In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Slack by using the thread feature. Whether you're a seasoned Slack user or just getting started, responding in threads keeps your conversations organized and easy to follow. Let's dive in and make sure your team communication stays clear and efficient. First, you need to launch the Slack desktop app or open it in your browser. Once you've done that, log into your workspace. This is your home base for all things Slack, where you can access your messages, channels, and direct messages. Ensuring you're logged in properly is the first step to staying connected with your team. Next, locate the message you want to reply to. To do this, navigate to the specific channel or direct message where the original post is located. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, it's pretty straightforward. On desktop, you can just hover your mouse over the message. If you're on mobile, a simple tap will do the trick. This action highlights the message, setting the stage for your reply. Now, it's time to start a thread. Look for the reply in thread icon, which resembles a speech bubble right next to the message you're interested in responding to. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to threading your responses neatly. On mobile devices, you'll tap reply in thread after tapping on the actual message. This process is designed to keep related conversations grouped together, preventing clutter in the main chat feed. Once you're in the thread view, it's time to type your reply. A thread pane will open on the right-hand side of your screen if you're using a desktop. For mobile users, this will pop up at the bottom. You have a variety of options here. You can type plain text, insert links, use emojis for a bit of flair, or even attach files if needed. This flexibility helps you communicate exactly what you need, how you need it. After composing your message, go ahead and post your reply. On a desktop, simply press enter. On mobile devices, tap send. Once done, your message becomes part of the thread and remains connected to the original message. This tidy organization ensures that conversations stay focused and easy to track. Finally, if you want to view all your thread activities across different channels, click on Threads in the left sidebar. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of ongoing conversations and following up on different topics without missing a beat. With these steps, you can effectively keep your communications well organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel more confident in using threads in Slack to enhance your team communication skills.